The last time that nilikanga nje chini nikaota morning sun was when my dad was still alive. We used to we used to go outside, we just talk. This sun has reminded me of such a good soul. Okay, let me digress, man. What I wanna do in this video, I want us to do my hair. Mina jikuna. It's either I clean them and then revamp them, or I undo them zote and then I do another hairstyle. But the design inajikuna, ninaona nikiosha juu I might not get yote, so I'm planning on kuzikatakata. I think tazifanyia hiyo kazi yote. I think tafanya hapa mpaka jua iende.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever.
Okay, hii size ya nywele inakaa vizuri. Should we do this size of hair? Let me show you how to undo a braid. Kama msee mwenye alikushuka was not borrowing, this is so possible. Unachukua nana huku juu and then you pull. Inafumuka, alafu unafanya hivyo. Zitafumuka within no time. I'm now finding my kichana. Let me go look for it, then come back. Can you now see it? I could not see it. Nimesukuma bag ikatokea. Nimesweat kutafuta kichana. And I only have one. Normally naiwekanga kwa hii bag. Inakaaje sasa? Now let me get back to show you. Niko nimeweka wapi? Were you there? I seem to think you were there. So let me show you how I usually do it. First you need to have a comb and some water. So unaona venye tu nilikuwa nimemaliza, nilikuwa nimetoanisha aka, si ndio? Juu kwa na kadogo. When in a wet kidogo, natoanisha. I can toanisha without the kichana or with the kichana, and then I comb. Ndio isikatike sana. Yes, nywele lazima ikatike, okay? But ukifanya hivyo haitakatika sana. Huko nje kuna kaa vizuri. Let me show you my scenery. You see? I don't know if you can relate, but this is so calming. This is my scenery. To avoid back and forth of me doing the same thing, I'll go off camera and be watching something. Like I'm going to be watching Rono's interview with Oga Obina. Yeah, it's I think 1 hour long. Within that 1 hour I'll be done. If not, I'll notify you how long I took. Right now, it's 9:07 and I have an online class at 1 to 2. 9:58 nimemaliza huko mbele. Sasa bado huko nyuma. Alafu jua imeenda na imeanza kukua kali. So like this is the situation. Niko tu juu imefika hapa, but at least I can view the enemy vizuri. Ndio. Katoto karembo. Kama ni kama kwenye memory. It's now 11:20. I've wasted 10 minutes edit video ya how I undo my knotless. I've made a short video of it. Yeah, and I'm done. I've taken 2 hours to undo my hair, but I can say haina shida mpaka juu imeenda. Iko hapa. Imeenda, so I don't think I'm going to do my hair today. So what I'll do is I'll just clean my hair, nipake treatment, and then I go edit the video that is supposed to air tomorrow. I want a routine where I post 2 videos each week, but first I have to clean all these. I have been looking. Okay, today is actually not even the next day. It's the day after the next day. And I've been looking for a hairstyle, hapa kule. And sijakuwa nikipata hairstyle, so I'm going to try to kutengeneza something out of it, out of whatever nimefikiria. And these are the braids zenye zilibakingi last time. We're gonna do something different. I'm pretty sure you've never seen this. And if you've ever seen it, big up to that person. So I want to do some short braids, but I'm going to do them differently from how you're used to seeing normal short braids zikifanywa. Okay, we have easy. I'm going to go. I trust that hapa ndo katikati. I'm gonna bank on that and cut. Okay. Wow. Now this is what we're working with. Sometimes I do think I am crazy because what is this? What is this? I don't know if it's going to work, guys. Wish me luck. Okay, this is what we're working with. And remember last time we never used our Spanish. Yeah, this is what we're going to use. And Tina last time aliniachianga hizi zilibakingi za nywele yake. Okay, they are shorter, but I don't know, are they going to marry? I might leave these ones and just work with these. Okay, these ones. I don't know what I'm going to create out of this. Oh my god. And my hair, sijaenda salon this time. Sijaendea hiyo blow dry. Mimi hawatachoma nywele yangu, okay? Hawatachoma, mimi nimekataa. So what I did to my hair, I just cleaned it and then nikaweka leave-in. Is it leave-in treatment or leave-in conditioner? Let me just call it leave-in. And this is where we're at. Nikazishuka just that day. And yeah, I believe ziko straightened enough. Okay, so I've just taken my breakfast and let me show you my setup today. Okay, once I have nimeona like how life can be while staying at the balcony. I don't think I'm going back. Let me show you. So this is my entertainment sector. This is where I shall be filming. These are my equipment, like nywele and whatever. That's where I'll be sitting. In case of anything, I'll just let you know. So this is what I shall be seeing, okay? This is my vicinity, right? Although I'll bring this a little bit karibu. I'm watching Jada, this girl. Alright, so kakio kangu naeza kayaka anywhere. It's movable. I need a big mirror. Nimeziseparate nikaziweka hapa kwa kichana, like for each. Zinakaje? I don't know, it's so hard to tell as it now, but zikikuwa vizuri zitakuwa zinakaa hivi. Sinaona zinakaa kupromise, ndio? Aya, let's trust the process and see how it's gonna go. So first nina separate to 5 tudogo, ni tudogo. Nikisikia ni kubwa nina reduce, and then after that nachukua kamoja hapa, but nina separate mara kadhaa ndo ishikane vizuri. And then nishasahau chenye nilikuwa nataka kusema. The most annoying thing, unaona venye nywele zinapepea. Okay, this is the only thing yenye itafanya nirudi kwa nyumba, sababu nywele ninatoanisha kama hapa nilikuwa nimetoanisha 3. Zishatokana, zishashikanishwa na nini. Ona hizi, unaona upepo? Unaona? Mimi naona nikirudi kwa nyumba. Turudi tu. Let's go back. Guys, so we are back and I've realized ni kama nilikuwa nina struggle hapo nje. Sasa ndio nimerealize. Cause mimi sikuwa na manage kupanga vitu zangu vizuri. So this is how I'm doing it. Naweza weka 4 ama 5 and then hivi. That's the alignment, okay? Guys, imagine what just happened. Look, zimeanguka. So far ninazipenda because aziko long. Perfecto. Haya basi. What? Sharon? Penda huko. Who else? Nani mwingine anakujanga kwangu mchana? Nilikuwa nishasahau. How far? Oh, inakaje? Sina give. Walai? Yeah. Nime decide kukata zile zangu zenye zilikuwa zimebaki.
Zina give you maji.
Nikakata. Tasalimia watu.
Nakaje?
Oh my god, guys, hata kama hataki, ona keki zake venye zinakaa SpongeBob. You know what's funnier than 18? 19! Oh my god! Oh my god, nita include hii kwa video. Bye, Sharon! Bye! my favorite YouTuber. Yeah, that's the person that keeps me entertained. It's 12:30 what? 12:39. Yeah, and I already feel hi man, siski kuendelea. Nasikia nimechoka kidogo, so I'll just take a break and then after that I'll continue braiding myself. Oh, yeah. At the same time, no more tumbo guys. Go ahead. Being a girl. Sasa ni 4:47. Acha sasa ni set up. This time round tutakuwa tuna watch fun. Alafu wana earn pesa mzuri, cheki. I'm this kind of person that is always curious. These days I'm just watching these guys. So I'm gonna be watching this one. The kid who hacked the Pentagon.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
Okay, after viewing the footage, I just realized my hair is not that clean, but imagine you're just gonna work with it when you're 2 weeks.
Breathing in, hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight, dripping light.
Dear guys, kama kuna mtu amekuwa mvivu this time ni mimi, cause tell me why nimeshuka hizi the whole day. Sai ni 8:38. I think nilikuwa ninaanza huko 10 like the whole day, but okay, I can say nimekuwa pia nikiumwa tumbo, so I've been taking so many breaks. Okay, nimemaliza huko nyuma, although there is a part inanibo, although haitaonekana but inanibo, but let me show you. So you see these first 2 lines, they are small, but hii ni nono kidogo, so inanibo compared, hata sijui hizi zinakaji, but hii naona inanibo, but mostly nitakuwa nazishika hivi, so I think it's okay. I won't redo. Wait, mimi naona hizi nywele kazi itatosha. Unaona hizi? Sijui kazi itatosha, I know. I will lie. Na kazi zitakuwa kidogo kama zitatosha. You know how much hapa mbele panachukuanga nywele mingi? Nishajua. Zikikosa nishajua. I have an idea. I'll show you. It just happened again. I was talking to myself. So, I was saying that I'm watching a live feed ya Sahi and we are currently at 2015 subscribers. Yeah. Okay, so I'm thinking of doing nusu sahi, go take dinner, nimalize ingine either after nimekula ama kesho. Yeah, surprisingly the hair is taking more than 1 day, but I already told you the reason. I'm talking too much. Shut up. Let's get back to the video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
go. Okay. So I am done with this section. As you can see, nimebakisha hii and zile nywele ziliisha. Zile zenye nilikuwa naika huko mwanzo, and you can see like ziko na like some shiny, so that zina combine na ya hii ingine. So there is something that I wanna do to improvise, and hey, I love the way zinakaa. Zina promise. Okay, so I was editing the video and I realized that I did not show you how I actually improvised on this other side of the hair. So, sinakumbuka zile ponytails zenye niliwaambianga at the starting of the video that Tina aliziwacha. So those are hizo ndo nywele nilitumianga like as the base, but I nilimixingi hizo Spanish za Tina together with mine, like nachukua kadogo ka black, kadogo ka ingine, kadogo ka black, kadogo ka ingine, and that's how I made it. I'm actually done, but my lighting is just disturbing. I am done, but kuna hii imebaki. This is the only hair imebaki, and I'm done. So there's a few steps nimebakisha kufanya. This mousse, hii ni mousse. So okay, I'm also going to apply mousse for the curls ndio zikuwe well defined, okay?
Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand.
Okay, kuna zenye zinatokana. She, man. I hope it doesn't continue.
Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were.
See, they are well and better defined compared to previously. See, the curls are well defined compared to previously. So the first style, nitaziweka zote tuko kwa nini? I'll look for ways on how to style the hair. But yeah, that's a style. Maybe tutwae tuwili hapa mbele. Nah, bro. No, bro. I don't know how to style these hairs. Guys, so I'm done making my hair. This is how it looks. Oh my god. Okay, my tripod iko mahali. I don't have my tripod right now, but we can try work with this. Yeah, that one can work, right? Yeah. So I'm trying to style the hair. Yeah, and it looks stunning. I know. I'm trying to style the hair. Oh no, someone is calling me. Okay, so as I was saying, I'm trying to style the hair, and the style is so simple. Itakuwa hivo, that way. And then this one, you see this clipper, I funganisha that way, and pick this one ya kurembesha. Oh boy. Come on. This way. Ama tu ziende tu nyuma. Nichukue tu hii. Sasa imeanguka. This one, okay? That way. Hivo. Why? Acha niambie marafiki zangu anipake gel wax alafu nitaonyesha the final fit, full fit. Nakaa hivi. Woohoo! Guys, degware nangoja huku chini tuonaneni. Acha nitatengeneza video mzuri. Thank you for 2000 subscribers. Maybe I'll make a video nikisha learn how to style it. I share with you. Yeah, so up until next time. Bye.